Hello and welcome to the Erasmus Intensive Program, Global Heritage and Sustainability, Geological, Cultural and Historical. This intensive program is coordinated by the University of Salamanca and participated by the Universities of Budapest, Ferrara and Coimbra. The characteristics of the intensive programs are the multidisciplinarity, their internationality and the working with competencies. In our intensive program, we are going to be working with multidisciplinary tools focused on the study of the heritage. Of course, our intensive program is international because we have 4 different universities from 4 different European countries with Erasmus agreements: Spain, Hungary, Portugal and Italy. And we will be working with competencies, both technical and generic, in the study of the heritage. The study areas we are going to be using in the study of the heritage are geology, engineering geology, history, biology, architecture and informatics. We are 13 experts working for you to show you the study of the heritage, but from different perspectives. From the University of Salamanca, Mercedes Peinado and myself will teach you how to characterize the rocks, both in the quarry and under the microscope. José Luis de las Heras will teach you about some history and our historical and cultural heritage. Jacinta García will take you up to the top of the tower of the new cathedral to show you the local natural stone that was used in its construction and some decay features that is presenting nowadays. Sara Rodríguez and Manuel Pablo Rubio will show you how to use informatics to analyze and digitalize the pathologies in the historical heritage. From the University of Coimbra, Luis Neves and Alcides Pereira will show you how the natural stones can radiate. They emit natural radiation. Lidia Catarino will show you some pathologies that the natural stone is showing nowadays. And Alessandra Tavares will teach you the importance of communicating to the society, the science, and as well how we should preserve our heritage, because our heritage is under threat of different kind of risks, both natural and anthropogenic. From the University of Budapest, Professor Ákos Torok will show you the different tools that are used to study the pathologies affecting the natural stone. And finally, from the University of Ferrara, Franco Mantovani will show you the different studies on geodiversity and geoconservation, and Carmela Vaccaro will show us all how to preserve the natural stone. But the real protagonist of our intensive program is natural stone, because natural stone is the witness of the history of humankind. Our ancestors used the natural stone for all their constructions, and here in this region we belong to the province of Lusitania. Many ancestors, many ancient cultures used the natural stone to build their constructions, even their civil constructions, and we will see some of this during the intensive program. The intensive program is going to take place completely in Salamanca. Salamanca was named World Heritage City in 1988 because their historical center is very well preserved. Our historical center is made up by local stone, mainly sandstone and granite. Some of this sandstone and some of this granite present some pathologies. We will be seeing all these features because as a World Heritage City, we should try to preserve the historical buildings made up of these natural stones. We will visit many of these historical buildings, like the university, like the old cathedral and the new cathedral. We will see some different features thought by the architects many centuries ago that had to be rethought because the structure they had been thinking was not good enough. So we will see the role of architectures in the building of the historical center of Salamanca. As a resume, the Erasmus Intensive Program will consist of an introduction to heritage to you. We will make a trip with the natural stone from the quarry to the building, and we will see how this natural stone is affected by the weathering conditions. Nowadays, the conditions are different than centuries ago, and some of this natural stone is deteriorated. We will learn how to conserve it and how to restore it. We will make a radiological risk assessment. We will see the importance of communicating to the society our findings. And finally, we will show you some of our cultural heritage, because cultural heritage is part of what we are, and we have to learn to preserve